This is the Modern Essentials Handbook, and it's a guide on essential oils. And this is my go-to book. I've had this book for years. I use it as a reference book. I use it all the time. So anytime I'm looking up an oil, or I want to figure out a good recipe, or I just kind of want a base of something, I go to this book because it's so detailed. Now, it's mostly around the doTerra oils, which I do have a lot of the doTerra oils, but it's going to tell you, like, so for instance, I'm going to open up frankincense. So, and these are all in alphabetical order in the front. And let me just show you some of the recipes too. Hold tight. So it's going to give me the biography about it. So it's created through steam distillation of the resin. Frankincense oil has been a traditional remedy for thousands of years. It's used for a myriad of purposes, including cosmetics, perfumes, skincare, and a wide range of medicines. It's an ancient treasure in biblical times. Frankincense is still grown natively in Africa and the Middle East. I use it for my hair. I love frankincense in my hair. And I use it for just about everything. It's good. And then it'll tell you what the scent is. So here it says rich, deep, warm, balsamic, and sweet. It tells you the body systems affected. So this is emotional balance, immune system, nervous system, skin. This is not meant to treat or diagnose anything, but it will kind of go into the topical uses of it, the botanical uses of it, the extraction methods, common primary uses for this, and common application methods as well. So it'll tell you exactly how to use the oil, what to use. And again, these are all based through doTerra oils. But what I really love here, there's a bunch in here, but they go into like even just research of the end notes. And then you've got all of them in alphabetical order here as well. And then they've got their blends. They've got a bunch of different blends. So they'll give you some quick facts about their blends and how to use them. They also have some supplements and stuff that are in here, but I kind of don't really pay much attention to this. But this is what I love. This is the Deep Personal Care and Spa. This thing is awesome. So check the Citrus Bliss Hand Lotion. Amazing. So you're basically going to blend essential oils of orange, lemon, grapefruit, mandarin, bergamot, tangerine, and clementine with vanilla bean. And then that's the key ingredients. But over here, it gives you a bunch of oh, wow, this is like so in depth. Back here, it's going to give you, where's it at? Here we go. So here are the actual recipes. So here you've got recipes. You even have a recipe for deodorant. You've got a recipe for shaving, after lotion. So it tells you how to do the drop. It's got base recipes for like the base of your like lip balm. It's got a base for lip balm here, which is pretty cool, on how to make it and how to do it. It's got a sugar scrub in here, and a salt scrub. I love that. But then over here, this is crazy. So it gets really in depth into the brain. It gets in depth into some like different, like it's all in like breathing, bronchitis, like it's got a bunch of different ailments in alphabetic order. So if you're just having a specific issue with something, you just look it up in here. Like I'm telling you, I use this book almost daily. Like I'm in this book almost every single day, looking something up, checking something out. So, but you've got your muscular system here and explains all of the different, pectoralis, biceps, all the muscles. Pretty cool. So it's pretty kind of in depth and detailed. This is like I've had so many different essential oil books, but this is like the last one I've ever needed. Here's an invigorating shower. It gives you all kinds of little hints: dishwasher cleaner, disinfecting spray, toilet spray, other household tips, kids' room spray. And it also will tell you if the oils are irritating to pets, because if you're going to be using essential oils around your pets, you got to know what's going to be like, they might not like, right? So then you've got all these different diffuser blends, and really cool. Then you've got an appendix for references here, and it also goes into the research that's been done, so you can go dive even deeper. So this is the Modern Essential Handbook. I love it. This is the soft cover. They've got it in hardcover. They've got it but this is an introductory guide to essential oils, but it's really, really in depth, and it's probably about the last essential oil book you'll ever need. So good stuff.